In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the enhanced photo upload on Instagram. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to your Instagram account. Once you go you should find yourself here. So you'll need to go to your profile, and of course, you will need to go to your settings. So click on the three dots as example at the top right corner. Once you do so, you should find yourself here on the settings and activity. Here, what you'll need to do is simply go and look for data usage. If you don't want to keep scrolling through everything, you can simply just use this search option at the top. You can just type data usage, as you can see in media quality. Just go and click on that. And as you can see here, you'll find this data saver. We don't care about that. Here, we'll find this high resolution media. So first of all, as you can see, when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. This is an example if you use your data a lot instead of Wi-Fi. As you can see here, high resolution media on Wi-Fi only or cellular plus Wi-Fi. So if you wanna just keep the media high, even if you use your connection instead of Wi-Fi, you can choose that. If you just want to use this on Wi-Fi, you can simply choose this. For me, I'm going to choose my internet plus the Wi-Fi so I can always keep a better quality. And here always, as you can see, you'll find upload at highest quality. Always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. While this is off, we'll automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. So we will have to turn it on to enable the enhanced photo upload on Instagram. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.